All right, everybody, thank you for joining. Today, it's exciting because we're going to submit. So hopefully we'll get all that done today. It's really, at this point, just a lot of content creation, I suppose, and I'm not really sure what direction I want to go with that yet, but simple game, made in a month. I'm not really trying to attract I don't know. I'm sure people will hear about it, so I'll probably just make some, probably just take a snapshot or a screenshot and then put some text on it that says hey, Awesome Apey Orb, play me, something like that. So nothing crazy, but we'll see. Let me see here. So I guess let's check our to-dos. We've already exported a new finished version. We didn't get these done. That's fine, I don't care about that. So really all that's left is submit to Applab. It's amazing what you can get done in just a month. I really think people are going to enjoy this game, especially the fact that it has global leaderboards. So that should be cool. Okay, sorry, I'm getting a hair off my keyboard. No. Okay. All right, let's see what we got here. So I suppose we should just go ahead and open up Chrome. I'm not even honestly sure what all we need. It might take us a while, might not. It might be done in like an hour, who knows. Okay, I guess it would be Oculus Dash. Awesome Apey Orb. Sure, log in. Oh no, you guys just saw my real name. I hate to admit it, but my name is not Danger. But I know it's surprises people when they find out. Okay, very cool. So basically we need to just do all of this, I guess. Go to submission, go to build. And I trust myself from yesterday that I uploaded it, so let's just use that one. Awesome Apey Orb builds, and we'll grab this APK here. Simple enough. We're probably going to have some issues here. I doubt the manifest file is up to spec, and I probably forgot something else, but I'm not sure what that would be. But we'll see in a second here. Maybe I forgot the minimum API or something like that. You have to set like the minimum Android API. We'll see. It's going to validate in a second here. Ooh. Oh, dang, I passed it all. Okay, so it's pushing it to their content delivery network, which is basically a bunch of servers that sit around a normal server that are just kind of act as caches. So let me see. You know, we have time today, so I might as well talk about some interesting stuff. I have actually been enjoying GIMP more than I've been enjoying Photoshop, so I think I'm going to keep using this. Basically, latency is king when it comes to everything the internet. So if I have like a server and it's sitting right here and I have another person over here in, let's say, like Wisconsin. This isn't geographically correct, but let's say they're in Wisconsin and these guys are in, I guess this would be like, I don't think this is right. I think New York is actually below Wisconsin. But anyway, let's say the server's in New York and I'm over here and I need to get something from here. Let's say that it takes 10 milliseconds for this network packet that I sent to hit there and come back. Now, it can be 10 milliseconds or it can be a lot more. So essentially people, instead of having all the game files on this server here, they'll do a bunch of smaller servers out in like a ring or something, and you'll connect to those to get your games. And so each of those will have an instance of the game. You won't connect to all of them. I don't know why I'm drawing it that way. You'll just connect to one of them, as far as I know. But essentially you will you'll get your game from that because that latency is only 5 milliseconds. And when you're downloading a big file, that kind of thing can matter. So that's what that is. Let's take a look at this again. Release notes, let's change it. First release of Awesome Apey Orb. Get it while it's hot. It's fun when you don't care about the game you're making because you only spend a month making it, because then you can kind of make the whole thing comedic. Get it while it's hot, baby. Okay. They're checking for viruses. And where was I? App submission, build, still working on it, description. Okay. Now I told people that I would put the no experience required. So I'll put that first. I wonder if they're going to reject me for that, to be honest. Learn to make Discord games. No experience required. Okay, and then, have you ever dreamed of being an ape trapped forever in a ball, doomed to get the best time possible on levels created by some sick in his basement? So let me put this away. Learn to make games with us. Have you ever dreamed of being an ape trapped forever in a ball, doomed to get the best possible time, best possible times on level of increasing difficulty created by some sick guy in his basement? Today's your day. Out and compete worldwide. Okay, that seems pretty good to me. I'll just make that the long description as well. Have you ever dreamed of being an ape trapped forever in a ball, doomed to get the best possible times on levels of increasing difficulty created by some sick guy in his basement? Today's your day. Check it out and compete worldwide. You freaking animal. And compete worldwide. Just don't fall. Let's antagonize them a little bit. People like to be antagonized. Okay, very cool. Search keywords. Oh, okay. I can't add search keywords because I'm just a shitty Applab app. Let's see. Single player. Supported controllers. Oculus Touch. Play area. No movement. Sitting, standing, room scale. Comfort level. They don't let you put a comfort level, which I find a little strange. I don't really see why they would do that, but whatever. Internet connection is not required, although you probably should have it. The reason I say not required is because if it is required, there's a VRC that basically they'll check to see, like, hey, if I turn off my internet, will they check and say, hey, you need internet when you play this game? And I don't really want to handle that. I'd rather it just not matter. Not required. Category. Games. Genres. I'd say it's adventure. Maybe exploration. I'll click all the ones that I think it could be. And then we'll go through and whittle it down. Horror, maybe. Racing, for sure. It might be roller coaster. I like how roller coaster is a whole category. Like, people made so many roller coaster VR games. They were like, we should probably make a roller coaster. Title. Genre. Okay. It might be travel, too. Okay, racing, exploration, arcade adventure. I guess you're not really exploring so much. It's this assets thing that's going to be a real problem for us. Additional details. Developer, use developer organization name, Salt 5 Studios. Publisher, Salt 5 Studios. Website. Do we still have a website? We do not. No website for us. Privacy policy. Don't have it. Wait, these are all... Are you telling me these ones are optional, but my privacy policy is not? There's no way. What, I have to make a website and write up a privacy policy? I don't think I want to do that. Will it just say it's not done? Yes. Okay. Our website. Privacy policy. All right, let me check maybe. They truly want a privacy policy. How serious are they going to take this privacy policy? I don't have a privacy policy. Can I just use the YouTube privacy policy? Wouldn't really make sense. And no way they're going to make me put up a whole website for this. Google Sites. I'm just going to use the Google Sites. Okay. Sol 5 privacy policy. Yeah, I'm not believing this whole free thing. They're going to make me make an account. All right, I'm going to switch off for all this stuff, and then I'll be back. All right, let's see. I don't think it's asking me any. Does your website collect contact or payment info from users? No. I guess it does. This is so ridiculous because I'm using my YouTube channel as a website. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna... Here, so let me switch off for real quick. Well, actually, let me create this site, publish, Sol 5, privacy, policy. Oh, come on. Okay. Nothing like making some websites. So what's the URL for it? It's the same thing I just clicked. All right, cool. Seems good to me. All right, I guess we're making websites today. Oh, come on, what the heck? Oh, I don't know what I just pressed. Sol 5 Studios. I think I have some images downloaded. Geez, where would this be? All right, let me just grab them. Okay. Let's just do this one first. Not what I wanted. Okay, yeah, I don't know why I'm acting like this is important. Let me just get rid of that. And then Soul 5 Studios. Oh, I don't want to learn this tool right now. That's okay. Okay, apparently this is what we're spending our time on today. Let's see here. This is all in it. Soul 5 Studios. Centered. 30. We make games. We make games. You play them. Soul 5 Studios. We make games. You play them. That sounds. I mean, if that's not a good. If that's not good, I don't know what is. We make games, you play them. I mean, it says it all right there. What is this? Get rid of it. I don't want this. No. Here we go. I see. Okay. Man, my YouTube thing is so aggressive looking. Okay. Okay. I want to view it. Wow, it's even better on mobile. Okay. So that one's pretty much good. But how do I get the... Sorry, that was silly of me. Okay, cool. And now it's just the privacy policy. Let me turn this off for a second again. I'll be right back. Okay, very cool. Add a subsidiary. No. 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 Yes. No. 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 Oh yeah, we're all about that. Okay, no. No, we don't. It's gonna have me do something here. There's no way it's just gonna give it to me. Proofread. I like how it like takes time. It's like, oh yeah, we're proofreading the clauses. Oh yeah, we're enabling. It's like they were a little off the mark on how long it would take a computer to do that stuff. Create an account to save your document. Sure, why not? Sam Hessler 13 at gmail.com. Password. Password. Classic. Yeah, so I wonder why it said that it was free, because clearly it wasn't. Hmm. All right, let's see if we can get this first part here. Terms 1. Okay. Oh, get effed website, get effed. Take that. Okay, let's just do this. Man, you try to do one over on me and I'm gonna do one over on you. Okay, cool. So now I just need to start putting all this in here. Boop. Take that, take that, take that. Okay, now we're just gonna do that a few times. Please note. Okay. I like how they even made it small so that you can't take a picture of it. Actually, maybe I can do better. Yeah, it's the same. Okay. Should be noted that the reason I feel comfortable doing this is because they tried to trick me. If they had been upfront about their cost beforehand, I think that I would have been more willing to pay something like that. But if you're going to try to lie to my face, grab my email, for sure they were already spamming that email that I gave them, then I don't really care. And I'm going to go ahead and do this. And sure, it'll take a minute, but definitely less time than writing my own privacy policy. Okay, very cool. Here we go. Almost done, and then we'll just have to go in and clean it up a little bit. But it's not the worst. Something in the corner of my room just made a noise. Okay, and honestly, I don't see why Oculus would not accept this. It is a full-on privacy policy, so that's good. Ooh. And we're making record time here with the submission. Now let's go through and check this stuff out. Okay. Bold. No, not bold. That one italic. Let's make that one italic too. Let's add one of these bad boys in. And let's bold it. Bold that bad boy. Give him one of these. Hit him with one of those. One of those. One of those. And one of those. Maybe I can even do... It's looking good. This is starting to look good now. Okay. Okay. I just realized I think these probably don't go here. Because I saw a semicolon somewhere else and realized there that it can actually get semicolons. Our website does not contain links to affiliates. I agree, affiliates. This is so funny to just like out of nowhere have this really legal looking document on my Google Slides website. Hmm. I don't know why it doesn't fix that. That's fine. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the privacy policy agreement related to our... Yeah, just get rid of that. My guess would be that's something they put in to check if people did what I did. Not bad, actually. Not bad at all. Heck yeah. All right, cool. And that's how you make those things in under an hour. I do not need those other things. Okay, assets is going to be a little bit of a pain. Let's request a new certificate, email address. It is a game. Does not know, no sexuality, no, nope, no. Interact or exchange content with other users. No. Does the game show the user's current and precise location? No. Does the game allow users to purchase digital goods? No. Contains swastikas or other Nazi symbols? It does not. Does the game contain any content that can substantially erode the national identity of the Republic of Korea by describing... Well, crap, I don't know about that one. What do you guys think? Does my Awesome Apey Orb game... Is it possible that it could substantially erode the national identity of the Republic of Korea by describing anti-national facts or distorting historical facts? I don't think so. No, let's go with no. Okay. Does the game contain detailed descriptions of techniques that could be used in criminal offenses? No. That's interesting. Does the game advocate committing acts of terrorism? Jesus. Alright. Hey, this is terrorist Apey Ball. Be a terrorist. It's fun. Alright, should be for everyone. That makes sense. Wow, people in Russia, if you're 0, you can play my game. I guess there was a baby in the original Super Monkey Ball game, so that makes sense. Okay, we'll get that. I believe I should have a place for that somewhere. What do I have, like a games? What do I have, a streaming? I'm so bad. Okay, cool. It's good to store those things. I mean, I don't know when I'll need it, but I did need it for another app, and I was happy that I stored it because it has the ID on it. It's got this thing here, so that should be good. Okay. Okay, very cool. So that's good. We're powering through this here. We even made a whole website and a privacy policy, so. Okay, great. Pricing, it is in fact free. This whole thing is so ridiculous. They like rejected literally everybody for like a year and a half. So there were just tons and tons of people waiting to submit their apps. And then they open it up, and of course now I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it was literally like thousands of apps that they're having to go through right now. So it looks like I need to put like a space or something here, and then it also looks like maybe an additional details. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Well, I'm going to eat lunch real quick. I forgot to eat it before the stream started. So I'm going to do that, and then when we get back, we should be able to... Let's take a look at this real quick. So basically, we're going to need a transparent logo. And I'll just make that like an A. Don't know if I need to do both of those. I'm a little confused by that. And then we'll need to do this cover. Oh, yeah, I do. Okay, so I'll need to do both of those, and I'll need to do this, and I'll need to do this. It's going to be a lot. Like, it's not a small amount, that's for sure. And then a trailer. I don't think do I want to do a trailer? I guess I could make a trailer real quick. Just take some gameplay, cut it together, and say, become the ball. Be the ball. Become the ball. You are now the ball. Okay, so we'll probably have to do all this, but might take another day, honestly. That's fine. Now we know that it'll take a little bit. I wonder if there's a faster way to do all this. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, very cool. I'll be back in a minute. ear literally fucking hurts, dude. If I lived with this dog, eventually my ears would be gone.
I thought you were gonna be streaming.
It's funny that women like to think that they're clean. All right, very cool, and we're back. So let's take a look here. Oh. Icon and a logo. Icon and a logo. I guess let's start with the icon. 512 by 512. I guess I should probably use Photoshop. Oh, let me make sure the stream's actually up. Okay, very cool. File, new, what was it, 512 by 512. Create this background. I don't know. All right, and let's create this new layer. Call it A. I actually think this will create a new layer here. So we'll just do this A. Yeah, that looks like a good A. It's kind of Avengers looking. Actually, I mean, it kind of looks exactly like the Avengers. I2C avant-garde. Sounds good. Okay. That's so funny. It's like straight up the Avengers logo. That's so funny. Okay. Let's see here. Paragraph, center it. Yeah, okay, I mean. Center. Very cool. The background. I mean, I don't know. How does this even work? I'd like to erase it, please. I don't think I want it red. I get like this gray. Okay. Make a new one. Call it circle. And we will... How does this work exactly? Okay, select, modify, contract by, let's say, 20 pixels. Huh. Modify, contract. God, what is that? Stop doing that. All right. Okay, cool. Now I think that if I... I'm trying to figure out how to make like a donut. And I don't really know how to do that. Let me just go ahead and do this. Hit a nice border here. Very cool. Then we'll then we'll do select, modify, contract. Let's go 30. Select, modify, contract 20. Okay, wait a second. Am I just recreating the Avengers logo? No, okay, not exactly. Okay, I was worried for a second there that I was just full on recreating it. Okay, cool. And then we'll rasterize that. And we will what's happening? There we go. Control-Shift-I. Invert that and erase it because it looks like it, yeah, it looks like it had some. Okay, cool. And then we'll take the pen tool, we'll get rid of that, and we'll do something like this. Path to, I knew this. Control Enter. And there we go, the Awesome Apey Orb icon. It's bold, it's brash, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. Okay. Okay, very cool. Awesome Apey Orb, the game that changed nations. Export as export, I guess, Unity projects, Awesome Apey Orb. I guess it will be game art. Put concept art in there. Oculus art. Icon. Apey Orb icon. You know, actually, I'm not unhappy with that icon. I think that is pretty. It looks pretty good for what it is. Look at that bad boy. Perfect. The only thing it's missing is a little rolly stuff, but I don't care about that. Okay. Here's my icon, sir. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, we did it. Okay. Okay. 9,000 by 1440. Yeah, but what size do they actually want? And furthermore, what did I use for my... Okay. It is 9,000 by 1440. Okay. What was it, 1440? Okay, so this might be a little bit of a problem here. Nah, it looks fine. Apey Orb. I do feel it's a little weighted towards the top. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Yep. Again, it still looks like it's too high up. One more. Okay. What was that, icon and logo? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So now that's done. It's still looking like the Avengers to me. It's so funny. It's just funny that it's like weirdly professional for what I put into it, I guess. I don't know. I just spent so many years working so hard trying to make these like really extensive and long games, and it turns out you can just make them in a month. So it's nice to know. Give me a second, my headset's got some goop on it. They announced the Quest 3 yet? Okay, so now these are done, so that's good. Cover art. Sorry, I got something stuck in my teeth. 2560 by 1440. Okay, cool. So let's open this up. Go to scene. Trying to figure out how to turn off this grid here real quick. I'm not seeing show grid anywhere. That's nice that it fades in and fades out. Okay. Okay, should I do this? Or should I do this? We want a scene with some contrast so that you can see stuff. I'm thinking probably the space one. Okay, cool. And while we're at it, I guess we might as well get some screenshots. So let's go through and do that real quick. We'll just go ahead and play it. Screenshot one. Very cool. Turn this off. Okay. Screenshot two. Go in here. Mm-hmm. Screenshot three. Screenshot 4. And screenshot 5. Okay, very cool. And then I guess we still need one that's going to be kind of our, like, we'll be using it. And that will be, I think we'll just use space. Thank God, I would have totally forgotten to turn that back on. All right. I think we'll use space. Okay, that might not work as well as maybe I was thinking it might. I might just do something like this and just write Awesome Apey Orb. Okay, well, we'll take one of these. Okay, very cool. Then we'll want to be done with that, and we'll let me get rid of those. Let me get rid of this. Let me come in here. Okay, so what was it? This is cracking me up, the icons. It's so good. Okay. Come in 3, variety, square, portrait, landscape. Okay, cool. Hero art, screenshots. Okay, very cool. So we should have time for those things. Let's see though. A 2560 by 1440. Okay, cool. And then we'll basically want to, I guess, create a new No, I don't want to create a new one. I keep forgetting that we're over on a different desktop. Okay, 2560 by 1440. This is my last resort. Suffocation. What's up? I am streaming, but it's cool. What's up? As long as it's nothing inappropriate, I guess.
Is that what you think?
As long as it's nothing inappropriate.
I was just gonna look through some of my clothes for some workout stuff real quick.
Oh, okay.
Stop. Calm down. Make an awesome Apey Orb logo.
Dude, look at these logos I made. They're like weirdly good.
Pups, go. Out.
They just kind of look like the Avengers.
Yeah, it does.
So I'm trying to make them in like 3 seconds. So I'm just making like Apey Orb.
Just a like what is it? Like I don't know, just a very sharp A is gonna be the logo.
Yeah, essentially, just A with a line on it.
You can't do that, man. That's Avengers.
I don't think so. Avengers is a little
it does
different.
Look pretty close. But...
It does, right? Avengers logo. The Avengers is different. I actually looked it up because I thought maybe I was just exactly recreating the Avengers logo.
You're like, my A clearly fits inside of the circle.
Yeah, mine is inside and has no arrow, so it's totally different. I got Avengers on the mind, I guess. Alright, suffocating and you're breathing.
I'm trying to see if I have some like cut off stuff.
Okay. Alright, we'll line these things up here. And then we'll get a screenshot in. Oh man, if I make it space, it's gonna be even more Avengers.
Oh really? Space background?
I was gonna put a space background, but now I'm thinking maybe that's even more Avengers. No, Avengers don't have a monopoly on space.
Yeah, you should be fine. Okay. I'm gonna cut up some old tea.
Well, let's try 6. Boom, boom, pow, boom, boom, pow, boom, boom, pow. Okay. Boom, 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 pow. This is my last resort.
Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Out. 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 Go to echo out. Come on. Come on.
Alright, what the heck? Come on. Come on. Come on. What's that about? What the heck happened there? I see. Okay, I was like, what the freaking heck? Suffocating and breathing. This is my last resort. When you're making a game and it's awesome like Awesome Apey Orb and Oh my gosh, what is this? What is that? What is that? You'll see I'm not a Photoshop master, that's for sure. You kidding me, wand tool? Come on. Come on. Come on. I want 13 tolerance. Come on. Come on. Don't want an anti-aliased either. Or continuous. Alright, you can anti-alias and make it continuous. You can sample all the layers. Nice. And let's go ahead and make that tolerance 5. There we go. Boom, pow, boom, boom, pow, boom, boom, pow. Suffocating in your breathing. This is my last resort. Okay. Is there anything else we could do here? What do these other screenshots look like? Everything about this looks Avengers. I almost think that this needs to be rotated. do I feel like it makes the whole thing look crooked? Crooked. Is this thing crooked? Hmm. You know what? I think I'm getting a little too into this, and I think it just doesn't really matter. Still think that for some reason this looks like it needs to be rotated slightly. $1440 by $1440. Okay, and let's do this one now. Yeah, I just totally zoned out there for a second and was like really thinking it was more important than it was. The square version, I guess I'll probably just go ahead and make all of this smaller. Center it up again. Make it bigger. Put it on the 2/3 line, and then that should be good to go. Dang it. Square. Square. File, export, quick export as a PNG. I just realized I could have just clicked that. Okay, save, yes. Apey Orb portrait 108. Okay, interesting. Image, canvas size, pixels. Okay, and we'll probably just, for this one, we'll probably take this icon, move it off screen, take Apey Orb, move it on screen, move it on screen, copy it, get a text, right. Be the ball. Put it on the right. Make it way smaller. And if I can, probably make it italic too. Is that a thing? Oh, this was all italic already? Okay, I see. Put that there. Move that up a tiny bit. Same with these. File, quick export, portrait, portrait. Okay, come back over here. Okay. And then the mini landscape, 1080 by 360. What was that? I was wondering why I wasn't having that problem earlier. Okay. So basically just need to make everything smaller for this one. I'm hesitant to do that, but that's okay. Yeah, because I still need to do this hero art. Let me do that one first before I do this mini one. 3,000 by 900. We're still making good time, by the way, so that's good. What is happening? Okay, so that looks pretty good as far as I can tell. Okay. Okay, so now we just need to do this mini landscape, which is 1080 by 360. Image, canvas size, pixels, 1080 by 360. Proceed. It's tiny. Everything is tiny in this one. So we're gonna see if we can just get it all and just do a little shrink-a-thon on it. It's funny, it's literally the exact same image. Give that some breathing room. Okay. Okay. I think they have some sort of I might have to redo that portrait. I probably should have looked at these beforehand. It needs a little bit more space than I thought. Man, I should have made a shooter. We need more. I need more shooters. Unfortunately, I might need to redo those too. Okay, I'll assume that these are fine. And I'll just remake the portrait one. What is the portrait? It's (1008) 1440. Okay, what did I do? I just moved the icon off. And I put these two right here. And that's probably good. Actually, I want this a little bit bigger. Where do I want it? I want it probably about here. All right, cool. And then we just need to do the 5 screenshots. Yeah, we should get this done before 5, so that's pretty good. Oh, I didn't see somebody joined, by the way. We're just making asset store stuff right now, so the game's done, and we're just trying to basically quickly make all of these things. And it has been going quickly. I like this little thing. Pretty much just the Avengers logo, but I like it. And then I made Apey Orb, then I used it across. It's just so funny what you can do if you're just hurrying instead of like really being nitpicky about it, which is kind of what's happening here. So let me get rid of some notifications on my phone. Okay, cool. And now we need to clean up those screenshots. So let's go ahead and do that. File. Well, what size are these screenshots supposed to be? 2560 by 1440. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna take from the downloads. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Oh. Yes. 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 It's all about that composition. Okay. Screenshot 1. Let's do some work here. Suffocating and you're breathing. This is our last resort. Just get rid of this. Cool. Okay. You know, it's actually not really centered at all, is it? Why am I being nitpicky about this? I guess I have time to be nitpicky, so. Unless we wanted to make a quick trailer. Quick PNG. Awesome Apey Orb. Game art. Oculus submission. New folder. Screenshots. Screenshot 1. Okay, now get rid of it. Okay, and this one. Move it back in, move it up, and that's probably pretty good right there. Screenshot 2. Get rid of it. Boom, 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 pow, boom, boom, pow. Shot 3. Rasterize it. Get the alt clone tool and hit these. Okay, very cool. Okay, don't care about this cube map. What is the cover image? 2560 by 1440. What was that? That was the landscape. Okay, so we essentially have 28 minutes. Can I make a video in 28 minutes? I guess if I was gonna make one, it would just kind of start out. It would be sweeping a level, and it would say, beat the levels. Then it would show the leaderboard, and it would say, crush the times. And then it would start going black, and it would say, be the ball. And then it would say, Awesome Apey Orb. Yeah, okay, let's do it. I'm sure we can get that together. I'm not even going to put any music to it or anything. Okay. Okay. Let's play. Okay. Alright. Is there any way to not show that Pro Builder? Okay. And then would I control... Oh my goodness. Didn't just mess up my stream, did it? No. Hey, whoever just joined, we are currently making the video for the game that we're about to release, so it's just gonna be, it's basically just gonna say like, beat the levels. I'm trying to make it in 25 minutes here, so it's gonna say like, beat the levels. Crush to the leaderboards. Be the ball. So, I'm getting the ball one right now, let's see. Be the ball. Okay. All right, now let's get beat the levels. Wait, okay. I just need to do a simple pan. Is there an easier way for me to do this pan? All right, let's see here. Beat the levels. It's too... Maybe I can just beat the levels. There's no like move consistent. There might be. Let me see. Turn off camera acceleration. Okay, there we go. Let me just restart that so I don't have to look through the rest of that. Yeah. Alright, give me 1 second. Sorry, I'm just having... Okay. Why does it keep saying it's been saved? Just start the recording. Is it even recording it? Sorry about this. There's a little tough technical difficulty here. Huh. Looks like it's not actually... Interesting. It might be having a conflict with... Let me see here. Can I record while I'm doing my stream? I can't. Let me test something real quick, sorry. Okay, so it looks like I just can't record while I'm streaming. So I guess that will pretty much be it. Let me pull this up. Okay. So essentially, you caught us right at the end here. We had done all this other app submission stuff. The only thing left is submit. They'll ask you to say, do you have any final words? But that'll be it. We were filling out all these assets. We were taking screenshots, making logos and stuff. All fairly simple. It looks like I will not be able to make this video on stream, but essentially all I'm going to do is take some videos and say, be the ball. It's really silly. I made this game in a month, so it's nothing crazy. And then I'll upload it. But all of that is... So basically the game's done. Do you have any questions about what the game is or how long I made it? Or I don't know if you're new or if you've been here before, so maybe you know, but before I hop off. All right, very cool. And with that, we have finished Awesome Apey Orb. It took us a month and 1 day, so a little bit, 1 day longer than I wanted to, but overall pretty good. I'm excited about it. We have 20 levels, 4 environments, and global leaderboards. So we actually got more done than we thought we would. The global leaderboards were a stretch goal, but I really think they're going to be special. I think people are going to like them a lot. So it's exciting, and you should be able to play it maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. It seems like they're kind of backed up on their review process. But we'll see. So have a good day. Thanks for joining, and I'll keep you guys updated on the next game I make.